Hello everyone, Namaskar. This is Aditya Prajapati and in this video I am going to teach you the phrases of run. I already have uploaded 8 classes of the 30 days phrases English challenge which I have started some days ago, and this is going to be the 9th day of this phrases challenge, and here I am going to teach you the 10 different phrases of the meaning run. When we are adding 10 different types of preposition with the meaning of run, so it is making another meaning each time which we can use in our day-to-day life conversation. When we are using these kinds of phrases in our daily conversation, it is making our English advanced. So I am going to teach you without any further delay. Let's get started. Guys, before diving into the video, I want to give you a little bit introduction of myself. Guys, my name is Aditya Prajapati. I come from a very small village of Uttar Pradesh, and I have completed all my education in Hindi medium background so far. So I learned this language. I started learning this language when I was in BA second year, and I have been improving this language for 1.5 years. And I started YouTube channel which I am teaching you guys the tips and the techniques that those are very essential for everyone who come from very humble background, village areas, Hindi medium background, so that they can also speak very good English, because I have done it. Only because of this reason I am speaking in front of you. Otherwise, how can I speak? I learned this language by myself without spending a single rupee. Only because of this reason I am teaching you guys. So please, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you can never miss my videos, and like jarur kariye. Okay. So without any further delay, let's come to the point. So guys, the phrase number 1, that is run into. Run into, there are 2 types of meanings of the run into. Number 1, दौड़कर अंदर जाना, and एक होता है अचानक से मिलना किसी चीज से. So we are going to take at least 2 examples of this meaning. So number 1, he ran into the room, where room के अंदर घुस गया, दौड़कर अंदर घुस गया. तो एग्जाम्पल नंबर 1. एग्जाम्पल नंबर 2, जो अचानक से मिलना होता है उसके लिए लेते हैं. एग्जाम्पल नंबर 2, my friend ran into me at the market when I was shopping. जब मैं कहता है शॉपिंग कर रहा था तब मेरा दोस्त अचानक से मुझे मार्केट पर मिला. So these were 2 examples. These kinds of sentences you guys have to form so that you can also use in your day-to-day life conversation. Until you use these kinds of sentences, daily conversation sentences in your day-to-day life conversation, how can you think about learning this language? So try to use. Firstly, you have to note down in your diary where you guys are taking down everything, every relevant things related to your life. So you just have to note down, and after that you have to learn. And after learning these kinds of phrases, you have to use in your day-to-day life conversation. And only because of this way you will be able to learn this language, you will be able to speak. If you are neglecting these kinds of relevant things in this learning journey, how you can never speak very good English. So the phrase number 2, that is run after. Run after means होता है पीछा करना या किसी चीज के पीछे भागना. So examples लेते हैं. We are going to take at least 2 examples, different examples. Example number 1, she was running after me, वह मेरा पीछा कर रही थी. Okay. Example number 2, I cannot run after this job. मैं इस जॉब के पीछे नहीं भाग सकता. मैं इस जॉब के पीछे नहीं भागता. I don't like this job. I cannot run after this job. So these were 2 examples. Okay. So guys, the phrase number 3, that is run away. Run away means होता है छुप कर भाग जाना. तो examples लेते, we are going to take at least 2 examples. Example number 1, the boy ran away with a girl. जो लड़का था ना वो लड़की के साथ छुप कर भाग गया. Example number 2, the thief ran away when he saw the police. जब चोर ने पुलिस को देखा तो वह भाग गया. So these were 2 examples. These are very essential, very usable day-to-day life conversation. If you are using these kinds of sentences, you are going to learn this language in just 1 month. There is no one who can stop you to speak this language in a very good manner. So just learn and speak every day. Only this is how you will be able to learn this language, and you will be able to speak very good English. Okay. गाइस द फ्रेज नंबर 4 दैट इज रन अक्रॉस मीन्स होता है दौड़ कर किसी चीज को पार करना. सो एग्जांपल्स लेते हैं. चलो एग्जांपल नंबर 1, यू शुड नॉट रन अक्रॉस द रोड. तुम्हें दौड़कर रोड को पार करना नहीं चाहिए, यानी कि तुम्हें रोड को दौड़कर पार करना नहीं चाहिए. ओके. एग्जांपल नंबर 2, रन अक्रॉस द फील्ड. दौड़कर खेत को पार करो, यानी कि किसी फील्ड को पार करो दौड़कर. सो दीज वर 2 एग्जांपल्स. गाइस द फ्रेज नंबर 5 दैट इज रन अगेंस्ट. रन अगेंस्ट मीन्स होता है साथ ना देना. तो एग्जांपल वी आर गोइंग टू टेक एटलीस्ट 2 एग्जांपल. एग्जांपल नंबर 1, सी इज रनिंग अगेंस्ट मी. वह मेरा साथ नहीं दे रही है. Guys, the phrase number 5 that is run against. Run against means साथ ना देना. Examples लेते हैं. We are going to take 2 examples here. Example number 1, luck is running against me. भाग्य मेरा साथ नहीं दे रहा है. Okay. Is example number 2, she is running against her formal mentor in the upcoming election. जो आने वाले चुनाव है ना, उसमें वह अपने फॉर्मल मेंटर यानी कि पुराने मेंटर के अगेंस्ट काम कर रही है, यानी कि उसका साथ नहीं दे रही है, उनका साथ नहीं दे रही, उनके खिलाफ काम कर रही है. तो these were 2 examples. We guys can form these kinds of sentences and use in our day-to-day life conversation. Guys, the phrase number 6 that is run plus a noun, which means किसी चीज को चलाना. जैसे कि एग्जाम्पल्स देते हैं. बाय द एग्जाम्पल्स यू विल बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस. ओके. एग्जाम्पल नंबर 1, ही इज रनिंग अ होटल. वह एक होटल चला रहा है. ओके. एग्जाम्पल नंबर 2, आई एम रनिंग अ कैफे. मैं एक कैफे चला रहा हूँ. दिस काइंड्स ऑफ सेंटेंसेस आर वेरी इजी टू यूज. ओके. So guys, the phrase number 6 that is run out, यानी कि खराब हो जाना या किसी चीज का खत्म हो जाना. So example number 1, the bus can be run out on the flyover. जो बस है ना, flyover पुल के ऊपर खराब हो सकती है. Okay. Example number 2, we ran out of milk, so I need to go to the store. दूध खत्म हो गया, मुझे स्टोर जाने की जरूरत है ताकि मैं दूध ले आऊं. तो these were 2 examples. The phrase number 7 that is run down. Run down means होता है नीचे गिरना किसी चीज का. ओके. तो एग्जाम्पल्स रहते हैं. एग्जाम्पल नंबर 1, his pulse is running down. उसकी जो क्या बोलते हैं नाड़ी है ना, वो नीचे गिर रही है. जैसे when we watch any movies, so we already have watched it so many times. जब किसी का इलाज हो रहा होता है तो उसकी पल्स ऐसे नीचे नीचे गिर रही होती है, तब बोल सकते हैं so his pulse is running down. उसकी नाड़ी नीचे गिर रही है, यानी कि वो खतरे में है. एग्जाम्पल नंबर 2 that is my phone battery is running down. I need to go to charge my phone. मुझे यानी कि मेरा फ़ोन की बैटरी है ना कम हो रही है और मुझे चार्ज करने की ज़रूरत है, उसके लिए मुझे जाना पड़ेगा. ओके. सो दीज वर 2 एग्जाम्पल्स दैट वी गाइज कैन ऑल्सो यूज दीज काइंड्स ऑफ एग्जाम्पल्स इन अवर एवरीडे लाइफ. सो गाइज द फ्रेज नंबर 9 दैट इज रन अराउंड. रन अराउंड मीन्स होता है व्यस्त रहना. सो एग्जाम्पल्स देते. एग्जाम्पल नंबर 1, आई रन अराउंड होल डे. मैं पूरे दिन व्यस्त रहा. एग्जाम्पल नंबर 2, I have been running around full day preparing for the party. पार्टी की तैयारी में मैं पूरे दिन व्यस्त रहा पार्टी की तैयारी में. सो ऐसे एग्जाम्पल्स हम भी यूज कर सकते हैं. ये केवल 2 एग्जाम्पल्स है, लेकिन इस मीनिंग के साथ में हम बहुत सारे एग्जाम्पल्स सेट कर सकते हैं, बहुत सारे जो डेली लाइफ सेंटेंसेस बना सकते हैं और उनको यूज कर सकते हैं. ओके. Guys, the final one is run on. किसी चीज पर चलना. तो एग्जाम्पल्स लेते. एग्जाम्पल नंबर 1, the car is running on petrol. जो कार है ना, वह पेट्रोल पर चल रही, पेट्रोल के सहारे चल रही है, यानी कि पेट्रोल डाला जाता है तभी तो चलती है. तो द कार इज रनिंग ऑन पेट्रोल. एग्जाम्पल नंबर 2, your shop is running on only on your past experiences. जो आपके पुराने अनुभव है ना, उन्हीं के सहारे आपकी दुकान चल रही है. So these were 10 different phrases I have taught with the meaning of run. So these kinds of sentences you guys also can also form and use in your day-to-day life conversation. Only this is how you will be able to understand the English. You will be able to understand how to speak English, how to think, how to start thinking in English. Until you practice a lot, you can never think in English. So this is the fact. So guys, I have taught different phrases, and I have been teaching you guys these kinds of phrases. I already have uploaded 8 classes. This was the 9th one where I have taught the different phrases with the meaning of run, which we can use in our day-to-day life conversation. So guys, firstly you have to take down these phrases in your diary, in your notebook, where you guys are putting down everything. So guys, do one thing first, that is you have to note down these phrases with me, and after that you have to learn these phrases, and then you have to use these phrases with your friends, where you have made the environment where you can speak freely. There is no one who can make fun of you. So in this environment you guys have to go and speak and use these phrases. And believe me guys, if you are doing it every day, you are going to learn this language in just 1 month. There is no one who can stop you to learn this language. There is no one who can stop you to speak very good English. So I can assure you, if you're every day following this exercise, what I have taught you, so you are going to learn this language very soon. And this has been very important language. You cannot neglect learning this language, because this has been a compulsory language to learn if we want to grow in our career. Okay, so have a good day. We'll meet in another video, in another specific video. If you like my video, please like and subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so that you can never miss my videos. Have a good day. Bye bye.